the gross violations by the industrial units, which have resulted in endangering the lives of the workers and employees, as the safety standards are compromised by several industrial units. The death of 2 workers at Cipla in Verna Industrial Estate is the living example of the carelessness by the industrial units. The government needs to immediately conduct an inquiry of the fatal accident at Verna Industrial Estate and also take proactive steps to ensure that the safety standards are strictly adhered by all industrial units. The workers got suffocated, entered the crusher machine, elevator in the factory premise. Same because the safety of Zuari Agro, their plants of urea, DAP, NPK plants are all unsafe. Because this was mentioned in the morning. This is a very serious issue. Konkani same jata, Verna, most of the industrial is to get je mantri ke muni se mukar hoita hai and hatla mai paisa tha this you create an inquiry.
Speaker sir, Ciplan jo incident sala paini taji haven detail and inquiry factories and boilers, labor employment, industries आणि police हे डिपार्टमेंट करता असे इन्सिडेंट्स परत जावचे न्ही हाजी प्रिकॉशन्स जी आसा पळय न्ही आमच्या सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या वतीन घेतली आमकां सेफ्टी फर्स्ट त्या खातीर आनी जो इन्सिडंट जाला जे 2 भुरगे ते खंयचे आसूनी हांगा काम करताले त्यांच्या फॅमिलीच्या प्रती हांव दुख्ख व्यक्त करता आणि तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन्स जे मॅक्झिमम कितें कॉम्पेन्सेशनूय मेळपाक जाय त्या कंपनी कडल्यान आनी बाकी इन्शुरन्स ते मेळपा खातीर आमच्या सरकारा कडल्यान लेबर डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान
they are on the rise. If you look at industrial, I had pointed out during
demand. अशा पद्धतीचे खंयसर हांव सगळ्या म्हणजे
जुवारीचे चेक कर
फॅक्टरीज आनी बॉयलर्स सगळ्यांक हांव चेक करपाक